clear browser cache in Google Chrome. So open up your Google Chrome. Once you're on your Google Chrome, click on the three dots here on your top right, click on it, and then here scroll all the way down and you will see this settings option. Click on settings, go to your settings. Once you're on your Chrome settings here, click on your left side menu, privacy and security, click on it, and then under privacy and security you will see delete browsing data, click on it, and here you can simply tick on these cached images and files to delete the cache files, and also you can also delete the cookies and other data if you want to. It's optional. And also your browsing history, optional. You can stick it, or you don't. If you don't want, you can just leave it. And then the time range, you can either delete it for the last 7 hours, 7 days, 24 hours, 4 weeks, or all time. So if I want all time, then just tap on all time. All you have to do and hit on delete data, and that will delete the caches for you. And that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I would see you in another video. Thank you.